Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mid-blitz. Mid-blitz is an aggressive defensive strategy in football, aiming to overwhelm the offensive line and pressure the quarterback. It usually involves sending 5 or more defenders directly up the middle, creating a strong interior rush. The primary goal is to disrupt the offense's timing, force quick decisions, and ideally, achieve a sack or an incomplete pass. This high-risk, high-reward play can be incredibly effective when executed correctly. Setting up your mid-blitz effectively before the snap is crucial for its success. First, choose a defensive formation that naturally supports an interior rush, like a 3-4 or 4-3. Then, identify which linebackers or safeties will be blitzing and align them to attack the A or B gaps. It's also vital to manually adjust your defensive backs to ensure tight man coverage on the most dangerous receivers, as this play often leaves them on an island. Once the ball is snapped, precise execution is key. Your blitzing defenders must explode through their assigned gaps, aiming directly for the quarterback. The defensive linemen play a critical role by engaging and occupying offensive linemen, creating clear paths for the blitzers. Simultaneously, your defensive backs must maintain disciplined, tight man coverage, trusting the rush to get there quickly. The ideal outcome is to pressure the quarterback within 2 to 3 seconds, forcing a bad throw or a sack. While powerful, the mid-blitz isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Be prepared for offensive adjustments, such as quick passes to counter the pressure or screen plays designed to exploit the aggressive rush. It's wise to mix up your defensive calls, using mid-blitz as a surprise weapon rather than a constant. If the offense consistently beats your man coverage, consider adjusting to zone blitzes or other schemes. Use this aggressive play sparingly to maintain its element of surprise and maximize its impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.